to be established in each college. This Vigilance Committee will meet every month and shall suggest security measures to the Dean and submit its implementation report to the government and DMER. DPA, the Doctors Protection Act 2010 awareness program in all the public domains to be initiated and propagated by the government and to be continued regularly. Cases regarding assaults on doctors take a long time for resolution. Hence, a proposal to fast-track these cases shall be made by the DMER and sent to the government. For attempting to achieve a fundamental right to security while working, the resident doctors were forced to protest with individual leaves. The primary demand was to put in place adequate security as had been promised on previous occasions. Paying due respect to the assurances made by the Honourable Chief Minister of Maharashtra and the promised attention of the Honourable High Court, all the resident doctors of Maharashtra have withdrawn their protest and resumed regular duties as of 8 AM today. Despite several hurdles and a persistent misinformation campaign during the process, the protest garnered support at a national level, and the resident doctors are grateful to the various state associations, faculty, private institutes and bodies for their support. A mass movement of this magnitude was unprecedented and will remain as a reminder of the intolerance to violence of any kind against doctors. The events triggering this movement remain fresh in our minds and the working environment remains partially fortified. So the spirit of the protest will continue and we wait to see the implementation of the policies in the stipulated time frame. We have full faith in the Honourable Chief Minister and the Honourable High Court that violent acts on doctors will be curbed and shall not go unpunished in the future.
What's the time frame?
Somebody speaking Marathi?
Do you want in Marathi? हिंदी में बेसिकली शॉर्ट में अगर मैं बताऊं, अभी कल रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स पूरे महाराष्ट्र के हम लोग कल हमारे रिस्पेक्टेबल गिरीश महाजन सर से मिले एंड पहली बार हमारी जो भी एक्चुअल डिमांड्स थी, सिक्योरिटी डिमांड थी, वो उनके सामने रखी गई एंड वी हैड अ फ्रूटफुल मीटिंग. उसके बाद जो पॉइंट्स डिस्कस हुए उनमें जो हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर, ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर्स हैं, उनको फॉलो करने के लिए उन्होंने हमें आश्वासन दिया है.